Hello everyone! Today, we will be looking at, reviewing, and demonstrating the prowess of the Bare rice cooker, a 3-cup electric pressure cooker that boasts multiple functionalities and swift cooking times. Having used it for over a month now, it's time to share the highlights of this compact yet powerful appliance. Compact in design but colossal in capabilities, the Bare rice cooker is much more than meets the eye. With its 10 menu settings, you're not just limited to cooking white or brown rice, think oatmeal, soups, and even sautés. It's the perfect kitchen companion for anyone looking to diversify their culinary creations without cluttering their kitchen countertop. One of the key selling points of the Bare rice cooker for me has been its speed. The electric pressure cooking feature works incredibly fast, drastically cutting down the cooking time without compromising on the quality of the food. Whether it's fluffy rice or a comforting bowl of oatmeal, this cooker delivers every time. Not only is the Bare rice cooker efficient, but it's also user-friendly. The settings are intuitive, and there's hardly any learning curve, even for a novice in the kitchen. Plus, the portable design means it's easy to store or bring along for a weekend getaway, making homemade meals on the go a breeze. The compact size of the Bare rice cooker is truly a game-changer. It fits perfectly on my countertop without taking up much space, yet doesn't compromise on performance or versatility. It's also exceptionally portable whether you're moving between apartments or off on a weekend getaway. This little powerhouse effortlessly travels with you. This cooker proves that great things indeed come in small packages, making home cooking convenient no matter where you are. The nonstick inner pot is another feature worth highlighting. Cleaning up after cooking can often be a chore, but not with the Bare rice cooker. The nonstick surface makes it easy to clean, saving time and effort after meal preparation. To wrap it up, the Bare rice cooker is a real winner in my kitchen. Its compact size, versatility, fast cooking times, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any culinary arsenal. Whether you're a kitchen novice or an experienced cook, this cooker is sure to impress. It's certainly earned its spot on my countertop, and I look forward to exploring even more dishes with it. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I hope you found this video helpful.